Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade hot chocolate. Start with the core components. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt to enhance the chocolate flavor. For the liquid base, 1 cup of whole milk or your favorite dairy-free alternative works wonderfully. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a rich and comforting beverage, perfect for any chilly day. Now let's get cooking. In a small saucepan, combine your cocoa powder, sugar, and salt. Add just a splash of milk, about 1/4 of a cup, and whisk vigorously until you have a smooth, thick paste. This step is crucial for preventing lumps. Then, slowly pour in the rest of your milk, continuing to whisk as it heats gently over medium heat. Bring it to a nice steam, but avoid boiling. This is where you can truly make it your own. For an extra layer of flavor, stir in about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract or drop in a cinnamon stick while it heats. If you desire an even richer chocolate experience, melt in a few chocolate chips or a small square of dark chocolate. Finally, elevate your mug with classic toppings like a generous dollop of whipped cream, fluffy marshmallows, or a dusting of cocoa powder. Your perfect cup of homemade hot chocolate is ready. Carefully pour the warm, fragrant beverage into your favorite mug. It's best enjoyed immediately, while it's still wonderfully warm and comforting. Take a moment to savor the rich, chocolatey goodness you've created. This simple pleasure is ideal for cozy evenings, a treat after a long day, or sharing with loved ones. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.